Alright everyone, got a 2016 Silverado 1500 crew cab. Gonna be doing a leveling kit on it. There's a lot of people probably feel the same. The front end on these new trucks just squats a lot. You can see that's kind of how it sits before the leveling kit. This is totally factory. So I'm gonna take some measurements from the same spot on the tire to this wheel well. So I can determine, so it's just under 9. So I can determine what size leveling kit I want. And now the front, let's see where that sits. So the back was just under 9. This is just under 7. So a 2-inch leveling kit should work out nice. So again, here's what it looks like before. Alright everyone, so I just picked up the truck. I ended up going with a 2-inch rough country leveling kit. It was about $300 installed, and they realigned it as well, which your truck will need. As you guys can see, it pretty much sits perfectly level, which is exactly what I was going for. I was debating between a 2 and a 2 1/4 leveling kit, and I'm pretty thankful I went with just a 2. So as you guys can see, it's significantly more beefy. The hood sits a lot higher, and I think it's exactly how the truck should have came from the factory. So the headlights you will have to adjust down. That was pretty easy, so you're not totally blinding people. But you can see it just looks significantly better. So if you guys got any questions, just let me know. Again, probably one of the better mods you can do for a Silverado, and just really cleans the whole truck up. So one thing you're going to want to note when you do this is you will have to adjust your headlights. It's really easy on these Silverados. There is I don't know if you can see it, a hole right here. Just stick a Phillips head screwdriver in there, and right goes down, left goes up. And I always recommend doing it on a garage door, because then you can make sure that you keep your lines nice and level for the projector headlights at least. So hopefully that helps you guys. Again, great mod. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'd be happy to help.
You're ridiculous.
Did you hear me?
Yes, I could hear you talking.
Well, I need to teach people how to lower the headlights.